Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have an unboxing today, and I actually ordered this as a gift to myself for Easter, and I was going to unbox it on Easter, but unfortunately it was pouring rain today, and the delivery person left it outside and the box got wet. So I'm really worried that what's inside may have gotten wet and ruined, so I need to open it now in case it has to be returned or I have to file a claim or something. It just seems like every time I order something, it comes on a rainy day and the box gets wet and what's inside gets ruined. So it's getting really frustrating. I don't know what to do, if I should put like some kind of a metal container outside. I don't know. Anyway, so, and I have gloves on because I felt like the box, the outside was like a little dirty, and I don't want to get my hands dirty because then I'm going to touch the item inside to look it over. Okay, so this is from DeMellier London. Now, I heard so many good things about this brand, and I don't know if you pronounce it DeMellier. I think that is the correct way because it's a French name. But online I hear people saying DeMellier. So, or no, DeMellier. So I don't know if you know, if you've heard them say it in the store, let me know. But the reason that I wanted to try this brand is because they have vegan handbags, and I really wanted to try one of them. I am actually vegan, and I don't eat meat, but I do have, leather bags, and I just thought, well, if I could get like a nice everyday bag that's vegan, then that would be, just very nice for my whole ideology. And when I previously looked up their vegan brands, their vegan bags, they had like 4 different ones. They had 2 different styles of vegan bags, and each style they had in 2 colors. They had black, and then they had like a tan. But then when I went back on the site like a week ago, they only had this one bag left. So I was like, I better get that. So I was actually going to get one for my birthday, but then I decided that, if I waited, there might not be any. So you don't know. There could be a million, there could be nothing left. So here we go. Hey, Sally. I have a kitty cat watching me. Okay, so now that I've opened the outside of the box, I'm going to take the gloves off. So let's see. This is just like a card from them. Thank you for choosing them. And it has all my information in here. So it's in this very nice shopping bag, which does not feel wet, although I've had it sitting in the house for a while. But there are a few layers inside the box, so maybe it didn't get wet. I hope it didn't. So very nice sleek bag. I love these shopping bags. I love sometimes they're called carrier bags. I love them, and I always keep them, and then I'll use them for other things, but some of the really nice ones I don't ever use. I just keep them. So, okay, here we go. Nice ribbon. It's like a very nice, thick, grosgrain ribbon. And here we have a little dust bag inside. Whoops, a little dust bag. Again, okay, this is not wet, so this is a good sign. I'm excited that it's not wet. So let me take my glasses off so I can see this better. Okay, so here we go. This is a mini bag. And let me see, I'm just going to take a minute to take a look at it. Okay, it doesn't look like it got wet. It doesn't look like it is damaged. Okay, that's a huge relief. It does have, how do you open this? It has plastic on the the metal, but let me see. I just want to open it before there we go. Okay, it's just you push that up and it opens. Oh wow. Okay, it's so nicely packed and secured inside. It does have the shoulder strap, very nice. And the shoulder strap is adjustable. It has these grommets, and these are how you adjust it. Yeah. So very nice. Let's see. Oh, so well, I might as well take these off if I want to attach this. Okay, let me just look. I'm gonna need my glasses again. Okay, let me see. Before I do that, let me take everything out from the inside. I just want to make sure it's perfect and it's not going back. Okay, the inside is lined with a black fabric. There is a zip pocket. I actually wasn't going to get the mini bag, but that's all that they had. So that's okay though. I mean, it's cute for like just, you know, running some errands or even going out to dinner. And just because it's vegan, I'm not gonna be like so precious about it, and I'm not gonna worry so much. I mean, obviously it can still get damaged, but I just felt like, you know, it's not like a smooth leather bag that I would be a little bit more concerned about. And so let me okay. All right, it looks good inside. Let me take the plastic off, because now that I've opened it, I don't think I'm going to wait until Easter to use it. I think I'll start using it, right? Might as well. Let me see. This is actually a really nice looking bag. So let's see how we, okay, so then you just, there's a little metal piece there, and you just stick it in there, and then it's closed. And it says DeMellier or DeMellier London right there under the buckle. And let me get these off taking these off the little hooks here. Oh my gosh, they really have this on securely. Okay, there we go. Okay, and I will hook this on. Okay, here we go. Okay, so there we go. I think I'm gonna have to put this on one of the different holes. I think it's on the shortest hole, and I'm gonna need a little bit longer to use it as a crossbody bag, but you know what, I can do that later. So let me just get a little closer. It's so pretty, so shiny. I know that Kate Middleton carries this brand. It's always a good sign, right? When somebody who can have any brand carries this brand. I don't know if she necessarily has a vegan one, but brand obviously is a good brand. And let me tell you some of the details. Okay, there's a lot of paperwork here, but they sent, you know what, because it was an international order, I guess if I were going to return it, I would have to fill this out for customs, but it doesn't seem like it's going to be returned, so which is a good thing. Let me see. Okay. So I shut the camera off for a few minutes because I wanted to adjust the strap. I wanted to see how easy or hard that was, and it was actually very difficult to adjust the strap to get these grommets out of the opening, it was a lot of work. So, but you know, that's because the vegan leather is brand new and it hasn't like stretched at all. So then getting them back in was much easier. And I was wrong. It was not at the shortest setting, but it actually is not an incredibly long crossbody strap. But I could, if I want all the grommets in the openings, I have to leave it at this setting. So I was able to move it one longer, but I could move it two more, but then these two grommets won't be in an opening, which, you know, is okay, but it just won't all look uniform. So I think for now, I'm sorry, cat. I think this will be okay. And what my plan is with this bag is to wear it crossbody during the day, but then if I want to wear it at night, like to go out to dinner or something, then I would take the crossbody straps off and just use it as a top handle, because I think that looks very elegant and really cute. And the style is the Nano Montreal vegan bag. Their bags are all named, each style is named after a city. So there's like the Tokyo, there's the London, the Montreal, obviously, and then a whole bunch of others. There's one that's New York. And if you haven't ever looked at their bags, take a look at their website. I just think that they're all really very nice, and compared to other luxury brands, they're much less expensive. They're not cheap, but they're much less expensive. This bag, and remember, it's vegan leather, was $450. So, you know, certainly not cheap, but it's much less expensive than a Louis Vuitton bag or, you know, say any of the other high-end brands. And I just think that it's really cute. And honestly, looking at it, I cannot tell that it's not real leather. And touching it, I can't really tell that it's not real leather. I don't think anybody would ever know that it's not real leather. So if you are vegan, if you don't like wearing real leather, or if, you know, for whatever reason you don't want to carry real leather, then I think this is a great alternative. And I love how like sleek and beautiful this clasp is. So let's see now if my phone fits, because that's always the big issue. There is no pocket on the back, which I do like to have a pocket on the back, but that's more of an issue for me for like during the day if I'm using a bag to run errands, but I can always put it in my pocket. So let me see, I have my phone case because I'm filming on my phone, and let's see, I don't think it's gonna fit, but maybe it will. No, my phone does not fit, and I have the iPhone, the 14 Pro Max. So that's something to keep in mind if that's important to you. So yeah, that's actually not going to be such a big deal at night, but it is going to be kind of a big deal during the day. Again, as I mentioned, I was not planning to get the mini bag, this nano size, but that's all they had left. If I do end up liking this bag a lot and I want another, I would get the regular size. So I think, well, certainly now at this time of year, it's March, so, and it's cold here. I'm in New York, and I always having, I always have pockets. I have a coat on. I may have like a jacket on or something. So I'll have pockets to put my phone. But during the summer, sometimes I don't have pockets. So that will be a little more challenging, but I'm still going to keep the bag. And my full-size wallet will not fit in here, so I'll just use a smaller mini wallet. There's definitely room in here for my key case, a mini wallet, hand sanitizer, everything else that I need. Definitely there's room, so that's good. But I am bummed about the phone situation. Yeah, and I wouldn't leave it like that. Even diagonal, I don't think. Well, let's see. I don't want to force this, but we're gonna force this. No, because I don't, I don't think I could close the bag. I would have to force it, so that's no good. Okay, we're not gonna do that. If you have a smaller phone, it might be okay. But, well, that's okay. I really like this bag. I like how sleek it is. I like how beautiful it is. And so I am somebody who does not have a lot of black bags. I have my Coach Chase crossbody in black, which I use so much. I actually use that almost every day because it's winter and I don't want to get like later colors dirty, but also because I'm just like always in a rush and don't have time to like change from bag to bag. But I do use it so much. So I have that one, and then but that's not like that's a more casual bag. And then I have a Gucci bag that I've had for a long time that my mother got me years ago in Italy. It's not huge, but I wear that like when I'm in the city. I'll wear that sometimes when I go out, like if I'm a little more dressed up. And I had a Fendi, a black Fendi bag, which the spy bag, which one of the original spy bags, and I actually sold that a couple of years ago. But other than that, I don't have any large black bags that I could use, say, for everyday use. I have an old black tote bag, but most of my bags are colorful, which I love color, but black bags are the things that I use probably the most. So that's why I'm also trying to buy some more black bags. So I do have some like little evening bags in black, but that's not really going to help me during the day when I'm running errands and I need to put my wallet in there and all my stuff. So I think if the regular size bag like this does come back in stock, I might get it. There was also a bag they have that's vegan, that's it looks kind of like the Hermes Constance, which I liked a lot. So that's another option. And I don't have to get a vegan bag. I can get a regular leather bag, but I just thought since this is a nice brand and people have such good things to say, that I would try a vegan. I wanted to get a vegan bag that was from a really nice upscale brand, so that I figured it would be a good quality. So anyway, that is it. So this is my Easter gift to myself. And I wanted to also tell you, and you can maybe see inside the box, I don't know if you can see this, it says, "A bag, a life. For every item you purchase, we fund a set of life-saving vaccines and treatments aimed to save the life of a child in need." So that's really nice. So every time you purchase a bag, you're helping to keep a child healthy. And I like that. I like companies that give back, especially when you're buying a really expensive bag. It's nice to know that some of it is going to go to help somebody too. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you again very soon. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.